The Dubai Creek. Are you ready to embark on a journey through time where the pulse of Dubai's vibrant history still beats? Come, wander along the ancient waterway of Dubai Creek, where whispers of merchant caravans and the aroma of exotic spices linger in the air. Will you embrace its timeless charm? Dubai Creek, also known as Khor Dubai, is a natural saltwater creek that divides the city of Dubai into two main sections, Bur Dubai to the west and Deira to the east. It is an inlet from the Arabian Gulf, extending inland for approximately 14 kilometers. Dubai Creek has been a vital waterway for the city since ancient times, serving as a natural harbor and a center of trade. It played a crucial role in Dubai's development and economic growth as a trading hub, connecting merchants from the region with international trade routes. The creek allowed for the transportation of goods and fostered commercial activities, contributing to Dubai's emergence as a prominent city in the Arabian Peninsula. Dubai Creek Harbor. Dubai Creek Harbor is an upscale waterfront development located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It was a joint venture between Immerse Properties, the developer behind iconic projects like Burj Khalifa and Dubai Holding. But Immerse Properties has agreed to acquire Dubai Creek at $2 billion plus. The development is situated on the banks of Dubai Creek. What is special about Dubai Creek? They include 1. Historic significance. Dubai Creek has been a focal point of Dubai's development and growth for centuries. It served as a natural harbor and was integral to Dubai's emergence as a trading hub, connecting merchants from the region with global trade routes. The creek played a vital role in the early economy of Dubai and contributed to its transformation into a thriving city. 2. Traditional dhow trade. Dubai Creek continues to be a hub for traditional dhow trade. Dhows are traditional sailing vessels that have been used for centuries to transport goods across the Arabian Gulf and beyond. Visitors can witness the bustling activity of dhow trade along the creek, where these vessels are loaded and unloaded with various commodities. 3. Abra crossings. Abra, traditional wooden water taxis, operate along Dubai Creek, providing an authentic and charming mode of transportation. These small boats ferry passengers across the creek, offering stunning views of the city's skyline and the contrast between the old and new parts of Dubai. 4. Heritage sites. Along the banks of Dubai Creek, you'll find several heritage sites that showcase Dubai's rich history and culture. The Al Fahidi Historic District, also known as Bastakia, is a well-preserved neighborhood with traditional wind tower houses, narrow alleyways, art galleries, and museums. The Dubai Museum, housed in the Al Fahidi Fort, offers insights into the city's past and heritage. 5. Traditional souks. Dubai Creek is home to traditional markets or souks, where visitors can experience the vibrant atmosphere of old Dubai. The Gold Souk is renowned for its dazzling array of gold, while the Spice Souk offers a sensory delight with its fragrant spices and herbs. These markets provide an opportunity to engage in traditional shopping and experience the local culture. 6. Waterfront Promenade. Dubai Creek features a picturesque waterfront promenade that stretches along both sides of the creek. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks, dine at waterfront restaurants, or simply relax while taking in the views of the creek and the surrounding landmarks. Features and attractions on the Dubai Creek. 1. The Tower. One of the central attractions of Dubai Creek Harbor is the Tower. Designed by Santiago Calatrava, it is set to be the tallest man-made structure in the world, surpassing the height of Burj Khalifa. The tower will serve as a centerpiece for the development, featuring observation decks, restaurants, and entertainment options. 2. Residential communities. Dubai Creek Harbor offers a variety of residential options, including luxury apartments, villas, and townhouses. These communities provide residents with waterfront living, stunning views, and access to a range of amenities. 3. Retail and dining. The development aims to create a vibrant retail and dining scene. Dubai Creek Harbor will feature a large shopping mall, various boutique retail outlets, and a wide array of dining options, including restaurants and cafes. 4. Dubai Creek Marina. As part of the development, Dubai Creek Harbor will have a marina that can accommodate luxury yachts and boats. It will offer a range of marine services and facilities for boat owners and enthusiasts. 5. Creek Beach. A pristine beachfront area called Creek Beach will be developed. providing residents and visitors with a relaxing environment to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea. 6. Wildlife Sanctuary, the Ras Al Khor. Wildlife Sanctuary, located near Dubai Creek Harbor, is an important nature reserve known for its wetlands and diverse bird species. The development aims to preserve and enhance the sanctuary, offering residents and visitors opportunities for wildlife viewing and ecotourism. 7. Cultural and Entertainment Districts. Dubai Creek Harbor will have dedicated cultural and entertainment districts, showcasing art, exhibitions, theaters, and other cultural activities. These districts aim to contribute to Dubai's growing arts and cultural scene. How did the Dubai Creek shape the history and development of Dubai into the modern city it is today? The key ways in which Dubai Creek influenced the Dubai city's transformation includes 1. Trade and commerce. Dubai Creek served as the lifeline of Dubai's economy, facilitating trade and commerce since ancient times. The creek provided a natural harbor, attracting merchants from around the world who sought to exchange goods and capital. Dubai's strategic location between Europe, Asia, and Africa made it a crucial trading hub, with the creek serving as a gateway to international markets. The creek's bustling activity and its role in facilitating maritime trade fueled the city's economic growth and prosperity. 2. Maritime connections. The creek connected Dubai to global trade routes, allowing the city to engage in international trade on a grand scale. Merchants from diverse backgrounds flocked to Dubai, bringing with them a rich tapestry of cultures, goods, and ideas. Dubai Creek became a melting pot where different civilizations met, creating a vibrant cosmopolitan atmosphere that still resonates today. The exchange of goods, knowledge, and cultural influences along the creek shaped Dubai's unique identity and contributed to its modern multiculturalism. 3. Infrastructure development. The presence of Dubai Creek necessitated the development of essential infrastructure to support trade and navigation. To accommodate larger vessels, the creek was dredged and expanded, enabling ships to dock and unload their cargo. Quays, warehouses, and markets were established along its banks, creating a vibrant trading ecosystem. As Dubai's economic significance grew, the city invested in modernizing and expanding its infrastructure, including the construction of bridges, roads, and commercial facilities along the creek. 4. Cultural heritage. Dubai Creek preserves and showcases Dubai's rich cultural heritage. The traditional dhow trade, which thrived along the creek, continues to be an integral part of Dubai's maritime identity. The creek's waters remain adorned with traditional wooden dhows, and visitors can witness the loading and unloading of goods, connecting them to Dubai's trading past. Additionally, heritage sites like the Al Fahidi Historic District, Bastakia, and the Dubai Museum, located near the creek, offer glimpses into Dubai's history and cultural roots. 5. Tourism and urban development. Dubai Creek has played a significant role in attracting tourists and fostering urban development. The creek's picturesque setting, with its juxtaposition of modern skyscrapers and traditional architecture, serves as a magnet for visitors. Dubai Creek has witnessed extensive urban planning and development projects, including the creation of Dubai Creek Harbor, an expansive waterfront community. Iconic structures like the Dubai Creek Tower, set to become the world's tallest tower, further enhance the creek's appeal and contribute to the city's skyline. What is next at the Dubai Creek? It is the development of a Dubai Square, which when completed will be the Dubai leading tech-driven retail center/destination. It measure 2.6 million square kilometers, and it is meant to house Chinatown version of the city. There are many futuristic projects going on at the Dubai Creek, and when all are completed, the creek is bound to double in size. 2 properties such as the Vita Creek Beach and Palace Dubai Creek Harbor were opened this year. Dubai Creek continues to be a prominent landmark and a symbol of Dubai's heritage, playing a role in tourism, trade, and recreational activities. It is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, offering a glimpse into the city's rich past and serving as a reminder of its ongoing progress. Dubai Creek Harbor, on the other hand, is envisioned as a thriving community that combines modern living, stunning architecture, and a waterfront lifestyle. It seeks to provide residents and visitors with a unique and luxurious experience while paying homage to Dubai's rich heritage and natural beauty.